Welcome to Dcom. We are so pleased to introduce our SocialTraffic Bot. The software can also increase bulk traffic for your website from shared links on social networks such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Reddit, etc. To be more specific, you will post a link of your main website on Twitter like this, and the software will visit this tweet and click on the main website to increase traffic. Our SocialTraffic Bot can log into bank accounts at the same time automatically, as well as save bank cookies, profile, and manage unlimited websites. Now we will learn how to use it. After downloading and installing the software, you will log in with provided license and password, and you will see the interface here. Now we will set up. First, run is the number of times that you want the software to run successfully. If you set it at the default, like this, the software will run continuously until you stop it manually. You can put any other number here. For example, you put 1000. The software will run 1000 times successfully and then stop automatically. Next, tracks is the number of tabs or accounts that will be run at the same time. For example, you put 3 here, 3 tabs will be open, 3 accounts will be logged in and run simultaneously. You need to put the number of tracks that complies with your IP configuration. Next, proxy search. There are 4 options for you to do in this section. If you select the first one, Dcom, you need to attach the Dcom to your computer to run the software. In case you want to select the second one from data, you need to import proxy with Gmail accounts. We will instruct you later at Gmail account section in this video. Next, if you select from file, you need to set up the list proxy section. There are 2 choices for you to choose at this session. The first one, if you select list from URL, you need to paste link address proxy into the list proxy section like this. Otherwise, if you select list from file, you need to create a text file to save proxy. For example, I create a text file named proxy here, and I will enter proxy per line into this text file, then click to save. And at list proxy section, click on this icon, select the created proxy text file. You can visit saferproxy.com to rent safe and cheap proxy. In case you don't want to use proxy, you can select No at Proxy Search section. The software will use the IP of your computer to run. Next, we'll use Gmail section. You can use Gmail or not to run this software. It's up to you. In case you don't want to use Gmail, you can select No at We'll use Gmail section. If you want to use Gmail, you select Yes. There are 2 ways for you to use Gmail. The first way is you will import Gmail accounts into the Gmail account section here. You will create a text file to save Gmail accounts. You need to import the Gmail account's parameters in a specific format and separate these parameters by comma. The first is Gmail address. Comma, password, then comma, recovery mail, and in case you select from data and proxies section, you need to import a proxy part, proxy username and proxy password into the text file. In this video, I will import proxy 2. You can leave the proxy username and proxy password blank if your proxy don't need them. And similarly, you can import thousands of accounts here. Then click to save. And at Gmail account section, you will click on this icon, select the created Gmail account text file. In case you don't have a list of Gmail accounts, you can contact our company to rent Gmail cookies. And at Will Rent Cookie section, you will select Yes. After you make payment, we will provide you with the text file of Gmail cookies. Just download this Gmail cookies text file. I have it downloaded already. So at Rent Cookies file, you click on this icon and then select downloaded cookie text file. Next, input data section. You need to import data into this section. So to import data, you click on this icon, data. Then you will see the database manager dialog box. There are 2 parameters you need to import, website with backlink and main website. There are 2 ways for you to do this. The first way to import data is you will do it manually. Then you click on this icon, select Add Group. Then you will type the group name here. For example, I will type tutorial and then click OK. Then you click on this tutorial group, click on this icon, select Add Item. First, you need to import website with backlink. This is the link or post that you share your main website on social platforms. For example, I share main website in a tweet on Twitter here. So I copy this link of tweet and then paste it into the website with backlink. Then with the main website, this is our main website, and I will copy this part of the website. Don't copy the HTTP one and then paste it into the main website. Then click OK. You can see the data had been imported. Similarly, you can import many other links from any other social networks. For example, now I will add website with backlink from Facebook. For example, I share my main website on Facebook already, so just click on this and you will see the link or the post, paste it into website with backlink, and then copy the main website. Similarly, can enter the link from Quora, for example. And then main website. Then click OK. Then you will see the data had been imported here. The second way for you to import data is you will import a file. To do this, you will create a text file to save data. Then you need to enter the website with backlink and main website into this text file. You separate them by the comma. And first you copy link, a backlink, and remember to put it into the quotation mark like this, and then the comma, then main website, similarly you can enter the other links with main website and backlinks into the text file like this. Then click to save. At Database Manager dialog box, click on Convert, import CSV, and then click on this icon. You select the created data text file, click OK, and then you can see the data have been imported here. So click on this group, click on this icon, rename the group to easily manage. For example, I will rename it Tutorial 2, and then click OK. Then you close the Database Manager dialog box. At Input Data section, you will select the group of data that you want to run. For example, I select Tutorial. Next is to section folder cookies and folder data. You need to create 2 new folders, name each of them as cookies and data. Then you copy the path of cookie folder, then paste it into the folder cookie section. Cookies folder will save the cookies and profiles or accounts, so the software does not have to log in the next run. Similarly, you will copy the path of folder data folder and paste it into folder data section. Next is User Agent Mobile and User Agent Desktop. When you buy the software, we provide you with links to download these 2 User Agent files. Just download these 2 files like this, and then at User Agent Mobile or Desktop section, click on this icon, select the corresponding User Agent file. This one for desktop. Next, key to capture Dcom section. You need to create an account on capture.com and then transfer the key to paste it into the session. The software will decode capture automatically. Next, pause session. The unit here is seconds. If you set the value minimum to maximum, here is 60 to 90. The software will visit the website with backlink. For example, this post on Twitter, and view this tweet in 60 to 90 seconds randomly, and then it will click on main website, then view the main website in 60 to 90 seconds randomly. It also simulates real user like scroll up and down like this. After finishing or setting here, you will click OK to run the software. You can